this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. Cities of the city, location, some attractions and landmark also. You can find contact reviews and reviews online at article and its review rating is 6.2, which is the pleasing. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The function of the hotel is to make guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends,